At Pump Stations Direct, we have complete polyethylene pump station solutions built for effluent, sewage and stormwater. This self-selected system is specific to your site. Inside the chamber, we fitted a high-quality submersible pump, selected via the online selection tool. Whether it's a drainage, vortex or grinder option, you choose exactly what suits your flow, head and duty cycle. This float sensor monitors the liquid levels and triggers a high-level alarm if the water level gets too high. For dual pump stations, the floats control the pumps, turning them on and off depending on the liquid level. The rising main connects to the pre-fitted T or Y piece inside the chamber. Here we've included a premium gate or ball valve. Easy access for servicing, reliable shut-off for maintenance or isolation. You can upgrade the access cover or specify Class B or D rated lids depending on the traffic loading and site specifications. For single pump stations, we recommend adding a high-level alarm to your selection. For dual pump setups, a controller is added automatically with everything integrated, being the chamber, pump, floats, pipework and valves. Your pump station is delivered right to your site Australia-wide. Create your own pump station selection 24/7 via our online selection tool in minutes. Pump Stations Direct, pump station selections made easy.